How to create Tone wallet on Android phone. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I am back with another video, and on today's video I'm going to show you how you can create a Tone wallet on your Android device. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your mobile device, open up your Google Chrome. Now on the search URL, type in tone.org and search for it. That will take you to the official website of Tone. Now from this screen there is a button available that says Explore Wallet. So simply tap on that. Now you have to select a wallet from here. So scroll down a bit and then on below you will see My Tone Wallet option. Once you find it, tap on it. Now from this drop down menu, tap on Android. Then that will take you to the Play Store, from where you can install the My Tone Wallet application. So you can install it from there. Simply tap on Install. Now once the application is installed, open it in your device. After you open up, you will have this interface in your mobile device. Then tap on Create Wallet. Now you have to create your wallet PIN and make sure you remember that PIN. You have to enter your code again for your confirmation. And once your code is set successfully, you can set up the biometrics as well, but if you want to skip that, then tap on Not Now. Now you have to put a check mark here. Make sure you go through all of this information, then tap on this check mark that says I have read and accept this information. Then tap on Backup Now button. Again, make sure you go all of this information given in your interface, then tap on all of these three check mark. Then tap on Understood. After that, you will be provided with 24 secret words. Make sure you note it down in a notebook with you. And it's better if you don't screenshot this information. So write it down in a notebook and after that tap on Let's Check. After that you have to enter the words according with their number in this interface, which was provided before on a list with 24 secret words. After that, tap on Continue, and as soon as you do that, your wallet will be created. So that's how you create Tone wallet on Android, and I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thank you for watching till the end, and I will see you on next video.